more to our list. And so we'll add another bullet item saying Simone is, oops, say Simone is strong. And then let's grab an actual fun fact. And I don't really know a ton about Simone Biles, honestly. We'll say fun facts. And okay, so we'll add, none of these are really that fun, I think. Some of them are interesting though. So we'll say, let's find out her favorite color. Okay, Simone's favorite color is purple. So let's add another item to our list. Simone's favorite color is purple. And go take a look at our webpage. Okay,